Hello everyone, I am the Toy Manger. Recently, I went on a Walmart a Walmart trip in a different town, and I found some of these Series 3 Micro Galaxy Squadron mystery figure and vehicle. Sorry, 5 of them, and I figure now that I'm doing this channel, and I promise a Micro Galaxy Squadron, I would open these and we would see what we got. Though I don't have a knife with me at the moment. So I'm also trying an earpiece for these videos. If you guys can tell me if it's working or not. Let's see. This first one, I see a bit of white there. Yeah, I don't have a knife, so we got Stormtrooper and a turret. It's right here. Not gonna get that. Oh, he fell. And this is different than some of the other stands. Is it supposed to be like that? I guess so. Oh, is that what it is? A little hovercraft, maybe? Oh, that pops off. Wasn't trying to do that. Just curious. Well, this is still cool. Either way. Hold on, I think like this. Legs bend like that. I think it's something like this. Cool. Very first one. I don't have any of these. Excuse the noise. I'm picking up any of the ones already opened. I'm using the small little review cube for these, so you guys can actually see the detail. Because the McFarlane figures are big, they really don't fit in it anyway. So let's see. Open these and oh, I got a duplicate one. I won't show duplicates as I literally just opened it. It's okay. Keep in mind, this is not a review, this is an unboxing. What did we get? Oh yes, I wanted this one. Oops. Okay, so we got a First Order Stormtrooper, and I honestly am not sure what kind of vehicle that is. But it looks cool regardless. I know the figure's gonna fall out. There's something kind of funny about that. It literally stayed till the end. Wait, is this a tiny bit warped? Just a pinch. It should be okay. No. This is actually pretty darn cool, but the little treads do not move. Let's see here. Arms up. Gonna put him kind of like that. It's actually cool. It's big enough. It doesn't really need a display stand. I think it's just a tad bit warped. So I'm gonna have to probably fix that. And I really don't mind the duplicates. I mean, you're supposed to army build with these things, so I guess it's all pretty okay. I wouldn't mind unique ones. Oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't have said it was okay, because there's a third. Please don't let the last one be another one. If it's going to be another one, at least the one with the bike there. That one looks cool. Or maybe one of the chase ones. I don't know. See, it's definitely definitely different. Hold on. Which one is this? Wait. This is not a chase, is it? No, it is not. This, I'm sorry. This is one of the ones from the Bad Batch. I forget the names. I haven't seen it in a while. What is it? What is it? I'm sorry, I'm getting it off camera, and in just a moment I will bring it back. I've actually discovered something cool about these I'm gonna tell you guys. Okay, so we have this one. This is why I like the little light cube. It actually shows the detail a lot better. What is his name? I think it's Tech. I think it is. Just put him here one moment. And is this a bark speeder, I think? Looks kind of different, actually. Maybe? I don't know, but it looks really cool. I like it. So, there's actually a trick here. These display stands, they usually have these two lips, one display, and this other one is to put on there. So this way you can actually play around with it. Hold on, I'm going to put back on the display. And we will see if we can't fit Tech on it. Just 1 second. I know the drill. Of course, keep in mind with all these figures, the arms and legs move. So you're pretty much good. There we go. That actually looks really cool. I mean, probably not cool as that one in my opinion. The trooper on the bike. But, I mean, hold on. I'm not picky. I'll take it. Okay. So, got 3 of these stormtroopers with the turret, rotates. One of these First Order troopers, hold on. I can show you on the side here. So I got 3 of those, one of him, and one of, I think, Tech. I did not get any of the chase ones. I mean, this one's pretty obvious for any fans. Of course, these are all pretty cool. There's no unique code or anything. These are all the same. Oops, gonna have to try and get more of these in the future. Had to make an army of the turrets, though. More stormtroopers is nice, however. They're not bad. I might actually make them while I'm still here. Maybe. They, however, don't have one of the little like text bike there. They do not have a little thing for playability. I guess you just use the whole stand. Let me see if I can actually get this guy on there right. Hold on. I will always use the little light cube that's in the video right here for any micro galaxy squadrons, except for ships that are bigger than it. Okay, so this one is actually on a little better. You can tell between the two. The third I probably won't mess with this time. And of course I'll make sure to review each of these ones individually. So, that's cracking open the mystery ones, the Series 3. Hope you guys like them. I won't lie, I'm not entirely sure where you can get these. I just happened to find them. Got kind of lucky. So I will try to put a purchase link in the description, as I always do. But I really don't want to say eBay at all, because I know people unfairly charge, of course, sometimes. scalp. So, I'm sorry guys, I just wish you the best of luck. If you saw my recent video, my haul, I got a couple more things to review soon. They're just not all gonna be at this moment, but expect videos over the next couple of days. And thank you guys for watching. If you want to help the channel, please subscribe, check out the other videos, and if you feel like I'm doing a bad job with how I'm doing the videos, leave it in the comments. Any positive and negative bits help, because it gives me something to work on, fix, so I can become a better YouTuber or viewer. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will catch you next time.